Once again, I would like to welcome you to this session. We are still talking about personal hygiene. Maybe some people have forgotten my name. My name is Monica John. Allow me to take you through another session of the dangers of poor personal hygiene. What can come out in case someone has poor personal hygiene? What am I meaning? I'm meaning that in case you don't bathe, in case you don't wash clothes, you don't iron, you don't brush, you don't wash the beddings, what will happen? But before that, let's look at our activity that we did last time. I know you did, and you got very good answers, but compare your answers with mine. We said write down one reason why people bathe. Only give one, but I gave you many of them. I have taken mine to prevent body odor. Then another question was, how does the keeping of long fingernails a danger to the body? How does the keeping of long fingernails a danger to the body? So why they keep germs? They keep germs. Mention any one vector controlled by washing beddings. Which vector can be controlled when you wash beddings? And that is bed bugs and lice. You know others that are in some people's beds. We have another one, state one way you can avoid bad breath. How can you avoid bad breath? By brushing the teeth after every meal that you eat. And somebody will say, now teacher, when we at school we eat gorillas, do we brush? I wanted to answer that question. Answer that question and tell me why you don't brush. Because we are saying brush the teeth after every meal, because they will remove the food remains and the germs that will cause tooth decay. So let's look at the dangers of poor personal hygiene. I have already explained poor personal hygiene is when somebody doesn't care about himself. You find somebody passing by you, but the smell is alarming. Somebody talks to you, but the breath that comes from the mouth is alarming. So state the dangers of having poor personal hygiene as an activity. Think about them before I give you mine. Think about them. Ask that brother of yours. Ask. Even mommy is seated there. You ask, what are the dangers of having poor personal hygiene? What has she told you, or what has daddy told you? Now, let's see. Let's compare with mine. One, the dangers. It can lead to tooth diseases or teeth diseases. Another one is it leads to skin diseases. We shall look at those diseases that we are talking about. It will also lead to bad smell or body odor. I told you that body odor. Some odor can come from the armpits. Another one can come from the whole body. You know better. One can also get lice. And eye infections. You don't wash the face daily, what will happen? You will get eye diseases. We shall look at them. So let's look at each of these diseases that can be caused due to poor personal hygiene. Yes, like the teeth. When the teeth are affected, this is what you will be having. And I don't think that if you have such teeth, you can eat chicken or you can eat chips when you are feeling okay. Somebody will be chewing, but oh, mommy, something is wrong with my teeth. Maybe I need a dentist, so that will happen. So which diseases caused this? The rotting of the teeth. Let's see them. One is dental caries or tooth decay. Dental caries or tooth decay. Another one is dental plaque. Dental plaque. periodontal disease. What did I say? Periodontal disease. Then another disease of the teeth is gingivitis. Gingivitis. So these are the teeth, some of the tooth diseases that one can get. Let's look at other diseases that can develop in people. Well, in case you don't bathe, just look at these people here and see whether they are enjoying life. Look at these people's skins and you see what caused that. Failure to bathe. This is what will happen. I don't think that these people are always happy that you are seeing on my projector. Let's see which diseases cause the skin to look like that. Let's continue and see these skin diseases. One, we have scabies. We have ringworm, not ringworms. It is ringworm. It is spelled as RINGWORM, ringworm. It is an infection. Two, arthritis foot. Sometimes some people put on wet shoes or wet stockings, and as they remove in the evening, you find between the toes they have developed pus. Between the toes they have developed pus. Therefore, those toes, if they develop pus and they have wounds, they will produce a bad smell. And that disease is called arthritis foot. There is Dobby itch. Dobby itch. Sometimes some of us, after bathing, you maybe the water was dirty, the skin starts itching. Then another one is swimmer's itch. Swimmer's itch. This one is caused when you don't have enough water to bathe. So these are some of the diseases that can make somebody's skin to look like the pictures we saw. Let's look at other diseases there is this one here, body odor. See, these people are not comfortable. Now, this one is hating his own body because of the smell that's coming out from the armpits. Therefore, what do we need to do? You know better. Another one, one would get lice. One would get lice as we saw. Let's continue to another activity. Eye infections. Eye infections. Which infections can make somebody's eye to develop pus. Somebody can't see, can go blind. Another one, the eyes itch. Which diseases are those? We have trachoma. This is a common disease. It is caused by lack of enough water to clean your eyes or your face. Then another one is conjunctivitis. It is called conjunctivitis. Observe the spelling. CONJUNCTIVITIS. Conjunctivitis. River blindness. There is also glaucoma and many more diseases. You can look, open the books, the personal hygiene books you can buy some from the bookshops, and you'll open and see many more diseases, but these are the common ones that I came across with. So, as I wind up my lesson with you, I have got an activity for you that you are going to still write for me. And the first question they are saying, give one danger of having poor personal hygiene. Identify any one eye disease spread by houseflies. How can one control the spread of ringworm infection? State the part of the body that is affected by scabies. Go and think about those questions. Put them down. Then when we meet next time, we shall discuss and see who has done the work well. I still love you. Continue staying home. Study with us. and with me, I'll just give you thumbs up. Thank you.